Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mum. And today she's making this super quick, ready in 10 paneer bhurji. Absolutely delicious. It is vegetarian, it's healthy, it's ready in minutes. What else can you ask for? So let's get cooking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Starting with a couple of onions and just going to finely chop it. She's just using my lovely gadget to chop up the onions. Does anyone else use this? Because I've been using it a lot. Just for the onions, and it's actually quite handy. Right, a nice hot pan, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil of your choice, sunflower, rapeseed, and then a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of black mustard seeds. And when they start to sizzle, that's when we're going to add the onions. As you can see, we're using a lot of onions because they really make this dish. It's yeah, you need this many onions because first of all they'll wilt down, but they add the really basic flavor to this. Just cooking it for 5 to 6 minutes. We want them lightly golden, not any more golden than this, and then adding a cup of frozen peas. It's around 150 grams, and just going to continue to cook this for another 3 to 4 minutes. If you want, you can add some chopped up green chilies at this point. We're adding a couple of them and then continue to cook. So using 2 blocks of paneer for this, I'm using ready-made paneer. You can make paneer at home. You can find the recipe for that on the channel. It's a masterclass in paneer. And if you like paneer, you should really watch it because it just gives the tips and tricks to make paneer at home. Right, so we're using 2 blocks, which is 225 grams each. And yeah, so 450 of grams. And because it's really nice crumbly paneer, just crumble them. If it's a bit harder, then just use a grater to grate the paneer. A teaspoon of salt goes in there, and also half a teaspoon of turmeric powder added to it. Next is chili powder, which is totally up to your taste. So we're adding half a teaspoon because we've added the green chilies already, and a teaspoon of homemade garam masala. You can check out the garam masala video too if you want. It's on the channel. And that's when we add the grated or crumbled up paneer. And what is next is you have to cook this through so that the whole paneer has warmed through completely. There are no cold bits left, so you can turn on the heat to high and then just cook this for a good 4 to 5 minutes. And then stir continuously, because what it will do is it will not burn the bottom of the dish. And that really is it. You can see cooking and stirring it for 4 to 5 minutes just changes the color of the paneer. It's completely yellow due to turmeric. And then going to finish this with some chopped up coriander. If you like, if you're not fan of coriander, I don't suggest it in every recipe, but with this paneer, chopped up chives or dill, is also really, really delicious. Now, Mum is making some piping hot chapatis to go with this paneer because that is the best combination. Or you can have some lacha paratha or naan. What I'm trying to say is any kind of flat bread is a great way to eat this paneer. It's not the most exciting combination with rice, but yeah, flatbreads is perfect for this. You can try any of my flatbreads to go with this paneer recipe. And really, guys, this is it. It literally took a few minutes to prepare this paneer bhurji. Now, bhurji, just to let you know, is scrambled in Hindi, and this is basically scrambled paneer, which is why it is called paneer bhurji. So there is the simplest, easiest paneer bhurji ready. I'm just going to taste it for you guys right now. We are going to have this with chapatis later, but just going to taste it and say how delicious and amazing this is.
Yeah. Mum, you don't need to make sound effects, do you?
बहुत स्वाद है, बहुत ही स्वाद है। मिर्च है नहीं, हल्की सी है ना।
I really hope you guys will give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you back next week for another new recipe. Bye for now.